So, good morning, my dear students. We are going to continue the cost analysis, the fourth lesson. The next topic is a short run cost curve. The last class we have discussed about the meaning of cost. Without cost and revenue, we cannot judge the production function. So, it is a important one. The functions relationship between cost and output is expressed, is called cost function, we have seen in the last class. And the concept of cost we have covered. There are so many subheading: money cost, real cost, explicit cost, implicit cost, economic cost, social cost, and opportunity cost, sunk cost, floating cost, prime cost, and fixed cost. So there are so many things we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to study in this class types of cost. The types of cost are mentioned here in the blackboard. So short run cost, total variable cost, total fixed cost, then total cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost, and long run cost. So many costs are there. So we are going to see one by one. So in this class we are going to see about short run cost curve. What's mean short run? So in the short run cost curve, it is all the payments for the fixed factors of production are known as total fixed cost. The total fixed cost, it comes under in the short run cost, because all the payments are fixed in factors of production are known as total fixed cost, hypothetical, and total fixed cost is shown as in the table. So I have write in the table about the total fixed cost. The total fixed cost table is explained by a diagram, total fixed cost. So I will explain now. So for instance, total cost, total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to total cost. Appa total cost is equal to Q3 minus 18Q2 plus 91Q plus 12. Apna idella total variable cost, the 12 engiradhu enadhu total fixed cost. What I told you, total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to total cost. Here Q3 minus 18Q plus 91Q, it is an variable cost, total variable cost, while fixed cost is 12. So the fixed cost is 12. That means even though if the quantity or output is 0, the total cost will be 12. Okay? Even though when the output or the quantity is 0, these are all the total variable cost. The 12 fixed cost is 12. Even though the quantity and output is 0, the total cost will be in that situation is 12. So the total cost is 12, hence it is called fixed cost. It could be observed that total fixed cost does not change with output. Even though when the output is 0 or increasing or decreasing, the total fixed cost does not change with the output even when output is 0. So the fixed cost is 1000. Even though output is increasing or 0 or decreasing, and the table is explained about the total fixed cost. What I told you, the output is, even though the quantity of output is 0 or 1 or 2, 3, 5, the total fixed cost is fixed. That's why all the unit of output is, the total fixed cost is 1000. That's why I told you that the total fixed cost does not change with the output. Even when output is 0, the fixed cost is 1000. So it is shown the diagram. So next one we are going to see about the total variable cost. I am going to draw the diagram, and that's why I told you total fixed cost, and that I am going to now draw the diagram and table. Total variable cost is equal to total cost. Now I am going to write about the total variable cost, TVC. The total variable cost in the table output and total variable cost, TVC. When I teach the diagram or a table, when I write, you also going on listening and note down and writing. It is in unit. Then only you can understand. Then it is in total fixed cost is rupees. Adhe martha 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total variable cost here 0, 200, 300, then 400, then 600 here. So likewise the total fixed cost is increasing. Sorry, total variable cost is increasing. Total fixed cost is fixed. The 1000 I have written. Now in the short run, the total cost is equal to, I told you, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Total fixed cost and total variable cost rendu சேர்ந்தது தான் என்னது total cost மொத்த செலவு. அத நான் ஒவ்வொண்ணா தனித்தனியா போட்டு காமிச்சிட்டு இருக்கேன். First one, total fixed cost I have written. All the in the rupees, the 1000 rupees. Even though when the output is 0, and it will not, does not change with output. That is the total fixed cost with the diagram table I have explained. Now the total variable cost. Its output is increasing and variable cost also increase. It is a variable cost. So it is via diagram. So the total variable cost. Always when we draw the diagram, y axis vertical line, x axis horizontal. Here the output, I don't know, 300, 400, 600, 900. It is a cost. Y axis is indicates the cost and x axis it is indicates the output. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 units. What is there in the table? It explains via diagram. Okay, 600, 4 unit output. So the total variable cost, we can say that draw the lines. So it indicates the total variable cost. Okay, the short run, so we have explained about the short run cost. Is a cost, is an fixed cost. I have explained total fixed cost. Now the class is the short run total variable cost. Even though the unit is differences and also variable cost also differences. Upper total fixed cost and total plus total variable cost is equal to total cost. Now I am explaining one by one. That's the first one I have explained total fixed cost. Now explaining about the total variable cost. The total variable cost here the explaining via diagram. Y axis indicates cost, output is indicates the x. See here 0, 200, 300, 400, 600, 900. It's a variable cost. Say in the 200, 1 unit of output. 300, 2 unit of output. 400, 3 unit of output. 600, 4 unit of output. 900, 5 unit of output. So while increasing the amount, the cost, so the output also increasing. Total fixed cost Even though the output is zero or increasing or decreasing, but there is a fixed cost. லாபமோ நஷ்டமோ அங்க வந்து என்ன ஆயிடுது, காஸ்ட் அங்க பிக்ஸ் ஆயிடுது. இங்க வேரியபிள் காஸ்ட்ல வந்து செலவு எந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம அதிகப்படுத்திட்டே இருக்கிறோமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நமக்கு என்ன ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு, நமக்கு அவுட்புட் கிடைச்சிட்டே இருக்குது. So that's why total fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to total cost அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம சொன்னோம். அதுல you see the page number 84. இது ரெண்டு சேர்ந்து ஒரு டயகிராம் ஒன்னு இருக்கு, டயகிராம் டேபிள் இருக்கு, அதை போட்டுக்கோ. See that the 4.3 the total cost curve. So for total cost curve the TC is equal to TFC plus TVC, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. இது ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்தது தான் அது total cost. அப்ப total fixed cost, total variable cost I have explained the board with the diagram and the table and the example. அப்ப இது ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்தது தான் அது total cost. So in the page number 84 there is a table total cost curve. அப்ப the total cost curve நான் போட்ட இந்த டேபிளும் அந்த முன்னாடி போட்ட டேபிள் என்ன பண்ற, ரெண்டும் சேர்த்து போட்டுக்கிற total costல. See the page number 84. There is a total cost curve. Output in unit 1 to 5. Total fixed cost 1000. Total variable cost up to 900. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணிடுறோம், total fixed cost plus total variable cost நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிடுறோம், add பண்ணிடுறோம். அப்ப 1000 rupees in the total fixed cost. Here total variable cost 1200, 1300, இது 1000, 1400, 1000 இதெல்லாம் fixed cost வரும். ஏன் அப்படின்னா total variable cost plus total fixed cost ரெண்டையும் கூட்டினோமா நமக்கு total cost கிடைச்சிடும் இந்த amount. So 600 plus 1000, 1600, இது 1000, இதெல்லாம் ஃபுல்லா fixed cost plus variable cost 1900. See that in your table total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, the amount வந்துரும். So இத என்ன பண்றான், கீழ ஒரு டயகிராம் போட்டுருக்கான். Total cost is equal to total fixed cost and total variable cost. So there is a diagram, you can easily understand what I have drawn the diagram in the blackboard, total fixed cost and total variable cost. This both diagram is equal to total cost. So I have explained about the table, there is a diagram, you see that. Next one, average fixed cost. What is mean by average fixed cost? It refers to the fixed cost per unit of the output. It is obtained by dividing the total fixed cost by the quantity of output is equal to AFC. Next topic is average cost, சராசரி செலவு. இதுவரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்தோம் என்னது, குறுகிய காலத்துல ஷார்ட் ரன் காஸ்ட் கர்வ்ல what are the cost is consist total cost. Total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So what are the explaining about the table and diagram I have as explained. Next one, average cost or average fixed cost, AFC. Average fixed cost, how we can calculate, AFC is equal to TFC by Q. But TFC Q என்னது, average fixed cost is equal to, how we can find out, total fixed cost by divided by Q. அப்ப total fixed cost divided by Q. So it is obtained by dividing the total fixed cost by the quantity of output. We can get average fixed cost. So the AFC denotes average fixed cost and TFC denotes total fixed cost. Q denotes quantity of output. For example, the TFC is 1000. TFC is 1000. Quantity of output quantity of output 10 and average fixed cost is 100. How we can obtain by dividing by 10? அப்ப என்ன சொல்லிக்கிறோம் நம்ம? How we can find out the total average fixed cost? Total fixed cost எவ்வளவு? 100. Total fixed cost is 1000. அப்ப total fixed cost 1000. Quantity of output எவ்வளவு? 10. So we can get total variable cost is shown in the diagram. So how we can calculate the average fixed cost? TFC by divided by Q. Appa 1000 divided by 10. We get average fixed cost is 100. And for the average fixed cost there is a table. How we can calculate? I told you average fixed cost is equal to TFC by Q, total fixed cost by Q. Appa total fixed cost is 1000, quantity of output is 10. Appa TFC divided by Q, appa 1000 by 10. We get the average fixed cost. So it is via diagram, the average fixed cost diagram and table. First I write the table. Quantity at the TFC at the AFC. But TFC divided by Q already I told you. It is in rupees. How we can calculate the average fixed cost? Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is an quantity in unit. Total fixed cost already I told you fixed cost எல்லாம் ஒரே மாதிரி தான் 1000 எல்லாம் 1000. How we can calculate? 1000 average fixed cost என்ன சொன்னேன்? TFC by Q. அப்ப TFC எவ்வளவு? 1000 divided by Q என்னது? 0. Is infinity. That's 1000 by 1. 1000 average fixed cost. That's 1000 by 100. All over there. 500. That's 1000 by 3. 1000 by 3. Because TFC divided by Q is the total fixed cost by quantity of output a unit by 3 for 333 at the 1000 divided by 4 250 at the 1000 divided by 5 200. So likewise we can find out the average fixed cost. So the average fixed cost there is on diagram. So you draw the diagram because so many tables and diagrams are there in our book. Some importance I have mentioned, easy to understand the blackboard. So when I explain, you go on with page by page and line by line, and I have written the blackboard, the table, and the diagram you write it. There is a y-axis, average fixed cost. How we can calculate total fixed cost divided by Q. So I have drawn the diagram. So there is an table, and the diagram is y-axis average fixed cost, and y-axis is quantity of output produced. See that the curve is from 1000 to 200 to 1000, and output is 1 to 5. So the average fixed cost curve is like this. Average fixed cost is like this in your diagram. So total fixed cost divided by Q is called average fixed cost. So until then we will finish this class. Next we meet in the average variable cost. So many things we have covered in the last class about the cost, about the concept of the cost, about the different kinds of cost, type of cost we have seen. Certain cost, total variable cost, total fixed cost, average cost, average variable cost, and marginal cost. And I told you next Sarton cost curve. Under the Sarton cost curve there is a total fixed cost and total variable cost is equal to total cost. I have explained about the diagram and table. And the total cost is total fixed cost plus total variable cost. And the ரெண்டும் சேர்ந்து ஒரு diagram இருக்கும். அதை பார்த்துக்கோ. Next, the last I have covered the average fixed cost. So the average fixed cost, how we can calculate? The refers to the fixed of cost per unit of output. It is obtained by dividing the total fixed cost by the quantity of output. TFC by Q. So I can mention how to calculate the average fixed cost, and via table I have explained. The average fixed cost curve is like this. See the book. So in the next class we see the average variable cost. Last class enna paathom, total cost is equal to total fixed cost, total variable cost. Next topic enna paathirukom, average fixed cost. The average fixed cost, next topic average variable cost we will cover in the next class. So you will be very going on boring, I think so. For boring or interesting, I don't know. It is in your capacity of a mind. So I will finish in this class with the average fixed cost. Then we will continue in the average variable cost in the next class. So in this class, the total cost and revenue, so many diagrams and tables. So please go on with your book. Again I tell you, go on with your book. When I teach, then only you can easily understand. So until then, I will get answer from you. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.